Here we are on page 21 with number 8. Find the arithmetic mean, which we add and divide by 2, and the geometric mean. This one we multiply and square root of each pair of numbers. So the arithmetic mean of 2 and 18, we would take 2 plus 18, divide by 2. We get 20 over 2 is 10. So 2, 10, 18. That's how it's in the middle. We have 8 and 8. Now if we take the geometric mean, we're going to take 2 times 18 and square root it. 2 times 18 is 36. Square root is 6. So we get 6 is in the middle of that. And notice how it works. This has a distance of 8 and a distance of 8. That means 10 is in the middle of an arithmetic sequence with 2 and 18. Here we times by 3, and here we times by 3, common ratios. So 6 is in the middle of 2 and 18 in a geometric sequence. So that's why we have a geometric mean. Alrighty, next one, 5 and 20. Well, we would take 5 plus 20 is 25 divided by 2. So we get 25 halves is right in the middle of these two. 12.5, so you go up 7.5, up 7.5. And the geometric mean, we would take square root of 5 times 20, which is 100. So the geometric mean is 10. Good. The arithmetic mean of 4 and 9, we would take 4 plus 9 is 13 divided by 2. That's the arithmetic mean. And the geometric mean would be the square root of 4 times 9. Square root of 36 is 6. So again, if you write this out, a 4, a 6, and a 9, common ratio between them in a geometric series is 1.5. 1.5. And the common here would be a 2.5 added on. 4 plus 2.5 gives you 6.5, plus 2.5 would give you 9. All right, the next one, 5 and 11. We take 5 plus 11 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. That's the arithmetic mean. And the geometric mean would be 5 times 11 is 55, square root. Now that's interesting that we have a square root as a geometric mean. And yes, indeed, if you were to take the square root of 55 divided by 5, and then take that ratio and times the square root of 55 by that, you would indeed get 11. All right, let's do the next one, 7 and 14. Arithmetic mean is 7 plus 14 is 21 divided by 2. And the geometric mean is 7 times 14, which is 98, square rooted. Which, does that simplify? It does indeed. That's a square root of 49 times 2. What's the square root of 49? That's 7. 7 square root's a 2. So if we were to write out these three numbers like this, the common ratio between here is obviously square root of 2. That's what we times by. If you times by square root of 2 again, do you really get 14? Yes, it's the middle of a geometric sequence where square root of 2 is the common ratio. Okay, the last one. 2, we may have to work this one out. 2 plus 8 ninths, all divided by 2. 2 is 18 ninths plus 8 ninths. That's 26 ninths divided by 2 is 13 ninths. So the arithmetic mean is 13 ninths. Wow, okay, that's good. That's we'd have to, it looks like we would subtract 5 ninths and subtract 5 ninths to ensure that that was in the middle of those two numbers arithmetically. All right, what about geometrically? We would have to take 2 times 8 ninths and then square root it. 2 times 8 ninths is 16 ninths. Oh, it came out to be nice numbers, which equals 4 thirds. So we would have 2, 4 thirds as the geometric mean, and then 8 ninths. And you can see that it times by, can we see what it times by? Common ratio is 2 thirds. So we're in a geometric sequence, 2 thirds, 2 thirds. Okay, good.